Ahí va.
Good morning. This is K-Pop, an awesome natural fiber that grows on stevia trees. It's great to use in all our bedding, mostly and primarily pillows. This is how we break it up to make sure it's nice and fluffy and it fits nicely inside cushions, pillows, and other bedding. In this project, this is how we hand make it all. Right here in beautiful New Brunswick, New Jersey, since 1981. This all been handmade right here, just using this nice old sewing machine. Our seamstress then closes the product, this one here being the insert that's going to be used. Here is eco-friendly foam, a foam that's soy-based, right here in the United States. It holds a lot more than your traditional foam. And it's awesome for this little project that we're doing. It's nice and thin enough and light enough and comfy enough for children to lay on. Again, handmade here in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Hand stuffed. At White Lotus Home, we are the real deal in hand making, as you can see. There are no robots here. It's all made by humans. And thankfully, your product is made by one human, one seamstress, one master seamstress, a specialist of her art, one that cares about nature and your children. WhiteLotusHome.com, making your organic dream a true reality. Now we're using the packaging sent by you, our new possible client. We have this awesome machine that attaches and vacuums the product and makes it fit in the same packaging in the same box that you already have in stock, hopefully, or do business with. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Talk to you soon. Marlon Pando.